The Sheraton Hotel actually put me on their Instagram. I'm screaming. I was actually featured on the Unique Vintage Instagram page wearing this dress. It's a Barbie. Well, hey there, all you cool cats and kittens. Man, I love saying that. Can I start every intro that way? All right, you guys, today I am jingly jangly, clinkety clankety, because I'm wearing my Bakelite. Some of it's Bakelite, some of it's not real Bakelite. If you don't know what Bakelite is, it's a vintage plastic, and it's hard to find and very expensive. I scored these at the swap meet, because y'all know I love to go to the swap meet, and I got these for I got an entire bag of them. Let me show you. I got an entire bag of them. Some are Bakelite, some are not, for $20 for this whole bag. So it was a steal for these bangles if you're into vintage stuff. It was worth it even if it wasn't Bakelite, but it is Bakelite. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off so I don't clink clank and bother you guys while I'm talking. So I have a haul today. Oh my gosh, you guys. I placed an order on Sunday, which is Mother's Day. What day is today? Today is gonna be Friday because I upload every Tuesday and Friday. And Mother's Day, my husband surprised me and was like, buy some dresses from Unique Vintage. Now, Unique Vintage is like one of my favorite places to shop because I do like wearing vintage inspired clothing. Obviously, I like vintage too, but it's harder to find in your specific size and blah, blah, blah. So Unique Vintage is a really cool way to get like that vintage look without having to like hunt down the perfect piece because they have all the perfect pieces there and they're in perfect condition because they're brand new. They have some really cute 70s stuff too, but I typically go around the 40s, 50s, 60s range. That's kind of like where I think my style is. Typically go around there. So today, I have 3 items. Oh, I didn't even I'm totally all around with my story. But anyways, on Mother's Day, my husband was like, buy some stuff from Unique Vintage. And I was like, heck yes, I'm gonna buy some stuff from Unique Vintage. Like, you don't have to tell me twice. So I got 3 brand new dresses. I'm so excited. And one is actually from the Barbie collection. I think it's like all these dresses that were inspired by the first Barbies and what they wore. So that one I'm really stoked about. And then 2 of them are brand new for the season. So all gonna be really great. Actually, the Barbie one was on sale, like big on sale, half off. So I had actually had my eye on that one for so long. Oh, okay, I'm so excited. Now before we dive in, let me adjust. But before we dive into the new stuff and the unboxing of my little mini Unique Vintage haul, I'm gonna show you all my Unique Vintage dresses. Summer's coming up, people are gonna start traveling again because everyone's going crazy. I know I'm going crazy because y'all know I travel all the time and I just need to get the hell out of here. So I actually have a lot of Hawaiian style dresses. Not Hawaiian, not real Hawaiian, but like tiki dresses. And I will show you, and I was featured on Unique Vintage a couple times, which is pretty cool. I'll dive right into that. So the first dress I'm gonna show you is obviously this one that I'm wearing. This one is part of the Queen Kamehameha collection that they had. A lot of the stuff is not available anymore as it was last summer that I got this dress, but it is super beautiful. I just wanted to show it to you. I wear it every time I go to Hawaii, and I have a few dresses that I switch out in Hawaii, and I just love it so much. Beautiful, and it hides all the imperfections, which is numero uno in my book. I like to be comfortable because quite frankly, when I go to Hawaii, I eat a lot of mixed plates and I get kind of bloated. So I want to have something that's going to cover that up so I can just keep eating and not really worry about how bloated I am. So priorities. Moving on to the next one. My next dress is this white dress. It actually looks really big. It's kind of big on me. It's a size 6'8", and it was on big sale when I was buying some dresses last summer. It has a little belt, so it will actually cinch up a little bit because it is quite large, but it's good because it's a white dress, and white dresses show literally every imperfection. So have a little bit of extra room is kind of nice. I like to pair this dress with these shoes, also from Unique Vintage, for the perfect summer look. So the Sheraton Hotel in San Diego actually put me on their Instagram wearing this dress. I posted on Instagram, tagged them in it, and they actually featured me. So that was pretty cool. I'm basically famous. Next up, we have this little beauty. And if you can tell, it is quite snug. I am not going to put this dress on, but I will show you a picture of it right now. And the reason why I'm not gonna put this dress on is because it is so hard to get in and out of. It does not have a zipper. If you can see how tiny this is, I have to put my whole butt through this. You know what I'm saying? My boobs have to make their way up here. I can't climb in here because my butt, there's just no way. So I have to pull it over, and I'm just the whole time like, ugh. Once I get in, I'm nice and snug in there. It's difficult to get off. It's difficult to get on. So I can't try it on for you right now. Otherwise, that's gonna take like 30 minutes of my time and like a little bit of suffocation. So it is a beautiful dress. You look damn good in this dress, but you can't breathe. You can't get in. You can't get out of it. You can't eat, but it's still beautiful and I'm glad I have it. So yeah, that's that one. Might size up next time. Moving on to another tiki style dress. I have this one here that is kind of styled after an original vintage dress. You can either wear it strapless or you can have a strap around your neck. And I like to wear it with my black Uggs. I think it's just really cute and classy. I love wearing these Uggs any opportunity I can. This dress I wore when I went to Oahu just last year. In my Aulani video, I feature it. So I'll tag that just above so you guys can see. It is a beautiful dress. I absolutely love it. And actually it has like a really stretchy back. So that's kind of nice. And it's perfect for summer days and it's perfect for Hawaii. So I absolutely love it. Next, I have another winter dress. So this dress, it might be a little big on me now. I'm not really sure. But this dress is absolutely beautiful. It is a green velvet. I wore it during Christmas. It's Vixen by Michelle Pitt. That's the designer. And she always makes really good quality stuff that cinches your waist. If I wasn't too long after I gave birth that I wore this dress. And my husband actually proposed to me in this dress, so it's very sentimental. So I do have one other dress that I absolutely love from the Kamehameha collection. Unfortunately, it got thrown in the dryer and it got torn up. I was actually featured on the Unique Vintage Instagram page. I was like so stoked, obviously. And I'm looking super fly, if you can tell. So this was taken in Oahu and we were on a hula cruise or whatever, I don't know what you call it. I absolutely love that dress. I wish I still had it. Unfortunately, I mean, I'm not gonna blame anybody. I don't wanna name names, but my husband did it. He threw it in the dryer willy-nilly. It got messed up. It's cool. It's like, I'm not mad at all about it. It is what it is. He bought me 3 new dresses, so I can't be mad. So now I'm gonna open up my new dresses and show you. Yay! Oh, I hope these fit. So I got 3 new dresses, 2 from the new collection, 1 from the Barbie collection. 2 of them I plan on wearing to Hawaii and then like whatever trips we take. Also, I'm unboxing it. I'm trying not to, or unbagging it. And then the Barbie one I plan on wearing to Vegas when they open up. So, oh, they all look beautiful. Here is the first one. So this is from the new collection. So I got these in small, but I got the Barbie one in medium because it's a really unforgiving fabric. This, oh my goodness. I'm screaming. How beautiful is this dress? Look, it's an ombre. Ombre's down. Oh, this dress is so made for a Disney day. I can't even stand it. I had to pair it with my favorite pair of ears and these beautiful sandals that I have. They're so shiny and cute and they have little bows on them. And I cannot wait to wear this to Disneyland. Not only is this dress stunning and flowing and beautiful and amazing, but it also has pockets. Like, oh my God, it's the most perfect dress. All right, moving on, let's mix it up and do the Barbie one. This is the one I'm really nervous about whether or not it will fit. So you can see it's the Unique Vintage Barbie collection. Oh, and it even has like a Barbie pin. I love that. That's so cool. Oh my God, I hope this fits. I mean, I was excited for all of them, I'm not gonna lie. Here's the little Barbie pin. Oh, it's like a little brooch. How cool. Ah! That's a little cool bonus. And here is the dress. So you might recognize the fabric. I'll show the picture of the original Barbie. This is a replica of that dress. Oh my gosh, and look at the little zipper. It's a Barbie. That's so cute. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. It actually looks really big. I hope it's not too big. So the top of this dress was absolutely freaking stunning. It reminded me very much of Marilyn Monroe. However, I did listen to the reviews and I sized up to a medium instead of a small, and there was so much extra fabric. I was not very happy with the fit. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna return it or exchange it, but I think that if you cinched it up a little bit, if I got a smaller size and maybe I got some tailoring done, it would actually be like a really banging awesome dress. I'm not really sure. But as you can probably tell, I was a little bit disappointed. Okay, moving on. And this dress is brand new to their collection. I think the ombre one is brand new too. But this is on their website right now as one of their brand new dresses, like one of the first 2 pages. And I think it looks perfect for really any vacation. But I particularly have Catalina in mind with this one. You're gonna see why. It kind of looks like Grease, to be honest. Wow, look at it. It looks very, okay, well, it's sheer, so I'll probably have to figure that out, but let me go ahead and try this on for you. I absolutely love this dress. It's so beautiful and perfect for summer. It is a little sheer, so that's something you have to keep in mind. You have to wear a slip with it for sure, but there's so much fabric on the skirt. It's so flowy and beautiful. It's definitely one of my favorites. I'm thinking sailboat, a drink in my hand, and a sunset as far as the eye can see. That is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it and hope you got a little bit of inspiration for the summer coming up. I will link what I can in the description box below. Also, I just want to let you guys know, if you didn't know already, I upload new content every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesday is Travel Tuesday, so I do all my traveling uploads on Tuesday. And Friday is Fun Friday, so I do like my miscellaneous stuff. Whatever it is that like sparks my fancy, I will do a video on Friday, so it's miscellaneous stuff. It would help tremendously if you do like my videos for you to subscribe, because that's how my channel is able to grow. And thanks to you guys, I am growing, so I really want to extend my appreciation to you. We're doing really well and it's very, very exciting. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. It means everything. So I can't wait to see you guys on Tuesday. Bye!